Good morning from Ho Chi Minh City in Vietnam. I'm coming to you from just outside my apartment here in District 7, and in today's video I'm going to be taking you guys to Vietnam's tallest building, Landmark 81, which is actually the 17th tallest building in the whole world. And up on the 75th floor there's an absolutely quality coffee shop, and I'm meeting a good friend of mine for coffee, so I thought I'd bring you guys along with me for the ride so you can see the incredible views of Saigon from the top of the tallest building in the country. So without further ado, let's get on a grab taxi and let's make our way over to Landmark 81.
Xin chào. Landmark 81. Yeah, that's me. Thank you. Let's go. So you can see District 7 is pretty nice. Lots of high-end coffee shops around, lots of high-end cars around as well. Lots of greenery. You can see here this boulevard, very European actually, almost Parisian. And all the little side streets down there have got lots of serviced apartments and lots of Korean people living around this area.
Okay, so here we are at the Vin Homes complex. You can see there's loads of apartment blocks. They're really nice places. They go for over $1,000 a month actually, so they're pretty high end. I'll do a tour of some of these places in a later video, but for now let's head over the road towards the Landmark 81 shopping center and meet my mate Nate to go for coffee on the 75th floor. So let's go. Must be tens of thousands of people live in these complexes. I mean, each one of these buildings has got like 30 something floors with what, 10 plus apartments on each floor. So it's a huge complex, this. And there it is, Landmark 81. Got a huge building, and up on the 75th floor is where we're going. So you can see around here it's super clean, tidy, quite a high-end area. Saigon's elite. Nice water features. You can see all the apartments surrounding us here. Huge complex. So on the ground floor of Landmark 81, we've got a shopping centre, the Vincom Centre. I'm meeting my buddy just outside of there on the other side. So let's head round there. A lot of people are asking if you have to show vaccine certificates or health declarations on the app to get into shopping centres. Well, there's the answer for you right there. I just walked into this one and didn't show anything. There's only been 2 occasions when I've been asked to show the COVID app, the PC COVID app. And that was to another mall actually. Which mall was it? The Saigon Mega Mall, maybe? One in D1, not this one anyway. So you can see it's busy today. It's Monday morning, but it's a bank holiday. over here in Vietnam. So loads of families out shopping for cars. VinFast is the same. Oh, there he is there, look. Hey mate, how you doing?
All right.
This is my buddy Nate. How's things, Nate?
All good, all good.
Good, good.
Enjoying the mall.
Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit busy today.
It is busy. Well, it's a bank holiday, isn't it? Yeah. So, we're going to head up to the coffee shop. It's through this way, I think, isn't it?
Yeah. Do you want to find the way, or do you want me to point it out?
Well, Nate, I think you're the expert here. How long you been in Vietnam, Nate? Let the guys know.
A long time.
A long time.
Yeah.
A lot longer than me. So Nate's going to take us up to the 75th floor, where we're going to enjoy our morning coffee. Nice. Hello. Cheers, mate. Amazing. Look at the size of this place. How many people live here, Nate? 17 million?
No, I think officially about 8 million, but there's actually about 12, 13 million, I think, living in Saigon. A lot of migrants come from all over, don't register.
So where's District 1, mate,
All right,
from
so
here?
District 1's over there. You can see Pitexco, the tower with the helipad.
Okay,
And,
yeah.
My place is just behind that, and you can see the brand new bridge. So this is the Tutim High.
Hang on,
bridge.
let's just zoom in for you guys over there. All right, so that's D1 over there, right?
Yeah, so this is the brand new bridge, and this area, the green area on your left here, this is Tutim, so this is part of District 2, and this is going to be like the new fancy waterfront centre of Saigon. This is all being constructed now. So this new bridge here is probably going to be open within the next month or so.
So that's the bridge down by the riverfront that's just had the new generation done, right?
Yeah,
They've
yeah.
got-
So that's going to connect the downtown District 1 with downtown Tutim.
Okay.
So yeah, here you've got Vin homes and all around here. This is all very
Upmarket.
not really like mid-range apartments. Nice living.
So how much would you pay for an apartment in Vin Homes, mate? $1,000? No, to rent for a month.
Yeah, you'd probably be looking at, for a 2-bedroom, between 1,000 and $1,200 kind of thing.
Sure.
A month if you're renting long term, that is.
So I'm living in D7. Can we see D7?
It's all the way over there.
Again, let's
come
zoom
over
in
this-
again.
Let's come over this side. Show you a bit more.
I did the same.
So this is so you got a peninsula coming out here. That's the export processing zone in Tan Tuan. So that's part of D7. And you can see just behind it the Phu Bridge. You probably might not be able to make it out.
I don't know
with the
if I can
camera.
see it now.
Yeah, so it's a big cable stay bridge. And all of this urban area here in the distance is District 7.
Okay, so it's
you've
pretty
got-
big, District 7, eh?
District 7's massive. It's one of the biggest districts there is, and it's got the whole of Phu My Hung in it, but then it's also got Phu My Hung South, which is this bit here, and then it's got the whole of Win Tan Phat, which is another built-up area full of apartments, full of living places. You can see the zoo down here, so you can see like a green park with a little Ferris wheel on the corner.
Okay,
Yeah.
I've driven past that little Ferris wheel before, yeah.
That's Saigon Saigon Zoo, should I say.
Okay, yeah.
And if you look here to the north, you'll see a big clearing. You probably have to go over to the other side to see it properly, but that's the airport.
I'll point the airport now for us, Nate.
It's a bit hazy today, so you can't see much going on, but you can see a big open area over here. And
Yeah,
you
got it.
If you wait for a few minutes, you'll probably see a plane coming into land, although hazy. You might not be able to get it well on camera.
Cool. And what's this little area down here? That looks nice.
Some kind of older park. Go fishing there. I don't remember the name of it, but yeah, you can get fishing rods and you can fish there and eat food by the lake, and you can see the metro as well. So this is the new metro line that is hopefully next year, we'll see, gonna start out. We opened up the metro line in Hanoi, and this is the next one. So this will be the first Saigon line. The trains are there already, the track's done, apparently 90%, but they're just tweaking this and that before they finally get it open. But yeah, huge city.
Huge city, mate.
Today, with it being hazy, it goes on way further than you can actually see. What else can I say about it? So you got the Saigon River down here.
That's the river, the main river there, right?
So the Saigon River meandering round,
Yeah.
goes around the Tu Tin Peninsula, around the Tan Tuan processing zone, underneath Khao Phu Bridge, and then it hits up with the Dom Nai River, and the Dom Nai River will take take you out to sea.
The South China Sea.
Yeah, well, the Eastern Sea as we call it here, because it's not Chinese. But yeah, it'll come out next to Vung Tau.
Okay, yeah.
And you can get a ferry boat, like a hydrofoil boat, which will take you from Bac Dang Wharf, and it will take you along, and it will take you down to Vung Tau that way.
Awesome. So there you have it, guys. Coffee in Vietnam's tallest building, Landmark 81. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Let me know in the comments if you did. If you are new to the channel, hit subscribe to see more of my videos. And as always, thanks for watching.